For this craft, we're going to design houses for the 3 little pigs so that the big bad wolf can't blow it away. And you could use whatever you have around your house. I happen to have some bubble wrap and some cardboard boxes. Some of the other things are optional, but you definitely need a black marker or some sort of dark marker to draw with. The ruler is optional, and especially the box cutter or the X-Acto blade, but scissors would be good. So we're going to start with the cardboard box, okay? So first off, we're going to get some tape. We're going to pull up all the sides of the box, like the lids that folds down, and so we're going to raise them up and tape them together so it makes for a higher house. So now we're going to go on to drawing the elements of the house, the architectural elements like the doors and the windows and windowsills and steps. So I split my house into 2 floors, and then I drew in the door first. So the door is in the middle for me because I like things symmetrical. And just use any marker that you want and just make sure that it's nice and dark so you can really see them. Then you go to both sides of the door and I put in 2 windows. So I drew those, and they have 4 window panes. That means 4 pieces of glass and a windowsill and the frame above it. I had bubble wrap at home, so I cut out 4 tiny little window pane squares to make it look like glass. I just kind of eyeballed the measurement, but if you have a ruler, you can always, measure it and see what they are, but it doesn't have to be precise. This is all just for fun, okay? And then I glued them in. And once you're done with that and you want to cut out your door to make it open up like I did, you can take a pair of scissors, and then soon it'll poke through the cardboarding and you'll have a door that you can open. Good luck! And don't forget, the final piece of this project is you test out how these structures are going to hold up against the force of the big bad wolf. I don't have a huge fan, so we're going to pretend this little fan is going to be my wolf blowing down the houses. Let's see what happens. Will he be able to blow down the house? Yes or no? No movement at all. Absolutely none. So yay! The structure withstood the big bad wolf. Good job, 3 pigs. Now, if you have a bigger fan at home, you can definitely try it out. Good luck and have fun!